Is it the right time to buy or sell the LABU ETF? In this video, we will delve deeper into LABU. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, December 28, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 17, 2023, our system has identified LABU as a buy candidate with a score of 1.96. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced a remarkable gain of 86.24% since we first recommended LABU as a buy candidate 28 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 3.08% since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is currently in an upward trend, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. We can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend if the top trend line at $130.18 is broken. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 67.6% change over the next 3 months. This indicates a potential return ranging between 6.5% and 69.28%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a minus 37.44% change over the next 12 months. This implies a potential return ranging between minus 86.17% and minus 37.37%. After a year, the price may fall within the range of $17.82 to $80.72. Our latest update for LABU includes the following headline: LABU ETF downgraded from a strong buy candidate to a buy candidate after Thursday's trading session. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, the price of the LABU ETF decreased by 0.348%, going from $129.33 to $128.88. Throughout the trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 6.69%, reaching a low of $125.38 and a high of $133.77. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 of them, resulting in a 23.67% increase over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased along with the ETF, which can be seen as a positive sign as volume tends to follow the ETF's movements. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 71,000 shares on the last day, with a total of 3 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $369.27 million. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $188, while the lowest price was $48.40. At present, the price is 31.45% or $59.12 lower than the 52-week high, and it's 85.19% or $741.52 lower than the all-time high on December 23, 2021, when it reached $870.40. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for LABU. The LABU ETF is showing promising signs with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there is expected support from the lines at $116.38 and $86.06. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Moving on, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal. However, it's important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which may have an influence on the near short-term development of the stock. For example, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, and so far the stock has fallen by minus 0.348%. It is predicted to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Finally, it's worth mentioning that the volume of trades has fallen along with the price during the last trading day. This reduction in volume reduces the overall risk as volume typically follows the price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. The pivots indicator indicates a sell signal 2 days ago. According to the Bollinger Bands indicator, there was a buy signal 70 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 28 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gives a buy signal 32 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 10 days ago. If you want to find more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for the LABU ETF. Let's start with support levels. LABU has two key support levels just below its current level. The first one is at $116.02, which is backed by accumulated volume. If this support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next level of support at $109.82. So, it's important to keep an eye on these levels as they can influence the ETF's movement. Now, let's discuss the risk involved. LABU is currently testing a support level, and that comes with a natural risk. If the support is broken, it could lead to a further decline in the ETF's value. Additionally, LABU is considered to be a very high-risk ETF due to its high volatility. It can experience significant price movements throughout the day. So, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks associated with this ETF. Finally, let's talk about stop loss. If you're considering investing in LABU, it's important to set a stop loss order. This will help you limit your potential losses if the ETF's price falls below a certain level. It's always a good risk management strategy to have a stop loss in place. In summary, LABU has support levels at $116.02 and $109.82. It's a high-risk ETF with significant volatility. Setting a stop-loss order can be a wise move to manage your investment. Stay informed and make well-informed decisions when dealing with LABU. Today, we're going to discuss some important day trading levels for LABU. If LABU experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $129.33. If you're not already invested in this stock, it might be wise to wait for it to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you already hold shares, this could be an ideal level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, LABU faces its initial support level at $116.02. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $124.07, representing a decrease of 3.73%. This ETF exhibits significant daily movements, resulting in a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been detected from a pivot top that was identified 1 day ago. Is the LABU ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe there is a buying opportunity for the LABU ETF. However, we have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Our analysis indicates that the current price of the LABU ETF is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Looking ahead to Friday, December 29th, we anticipate that LABU will open up $0.463 and commence trading at $129.34. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is highly recommended that you consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the stock market. We want to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for the ETF? We value your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Wishing you success in your trading endeavors and have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.